Regular oil changes are important for the performance, efficiency, and longevity of your Chevrolet vehicle. Our Chevrolet certified service experts are trained on how your vehicle uses and monitors its oil. Choosing the proper grade of oil is a critical step in engine maintenance. Chevrolet Certified Service offers a range of oil types, including AC Delco Dexos 1 Full Synthetic. Ask our experts which grade of oil is best for your vehicle. Standard since 2010, Chevrolet vehicles are equipped with the Engine Oil Life System, or OLS. The OLS indicates when to change the engine oil and filter. This is based on a combination of factors, which include engine revolutions, engine temperature, and miles driven. It is recommended to periodically check your oil level. In order to get an accurate reading, the oil must be warm, at normal operating temperature, and the vehicle must be on level ground. If you're not sure when to change the oil, or you have any questions, call or click to schedule your appointment where you'll receive an oil change, 4-tire rotation, and complimentary multi-point vehicle inspection.